What if I told you the coolest gadget on Amazon isn't a phone, laptop, or smartwatch? Today we're counting down 15 unbelievable Amazon gadgets that feel like they're straight out of the future. Stick around until the end, because the #1 gadget is so incredible, you'll wonder why almost nobody knows it exists. Rabbit R1. What if you had a pocket-sized AI assistant that could handle everyday tasks without constantly pulling out your phone? The Rabbit R1 is built to do exactly that. Just speak naturally, and it can answer questions, record voice notes, summarize conversations, and help manage your day using AI. Its bold retro design stands out instantly, but the real magic is how effortlessly it gets things done. This is the kind of gadget that makes the future feel real. Meta Quest 3S. What if your living room could instantly become a battlefield, racetrack, or alien planet? The Meta Quest 3S delivers an incredible mixed reality experience that blends the real world with stunning virtual worlds. No gaming PC required. With immersive graphics, intuitive controls, and lightning-fast setup, it feels like stepping into the future. Once you put it on, you'll forget you're even standing in your own home. Bird Buddy. This isn't just a bird feeder. It's like having an AI-powered wildlife photographer in your backyard. The Bird Buddy uses a smart camera to recognize different bird species, capture stunning HD photos and videos, and send them straight to your phone. Every visit becomes a surprise, turning your backyard into a live nature show. It's one of those gadgets that looks simple at first, but once you try it, you'll be completely hooked. Olight Arkfeld Ultra. This isn't just a flashlight, it's a powerful, everyday tool that feels like it belongs in a spy movie. The Olight Arkfeld Ultra combines an ultra-bright flashlight, a precision green laser, and a UV light in one sleek, pocket-sized design. Whether you're inspecting equipment, presenting ideas, or exploring in the dark, it handles it all with a single click. Compact, rugged, and incredibly versatile, it's one gadget you'll wonder how you ever lived without. BOOX Palma 2. What if you could replace endless scrolling with a device that's actually designed for your eyes? The BOOX Palma 2 looks like a smartphone, but it's a powerful Android e-paper device built for reading, productivity, and distraction-free living. With Google Play support, days of battery life, and a glare-free display, it works even in bright sunlight. Once you experience it, going back to a regular phone screen feels surprisingly difficult. BioLite CampStove 2+. What if your campfire could do more than cook dinner? It could charge your phone too? The BioLite CampStove 2+ turns the heat from burning sticks and twigs into usable USB power, making it one of the smartest camping gadgets ever made. Cook a hot meal, generate electricity, and stay connected without carrying fuel or searching for an outlet. It's the kind of survival tech that feels impossible until you see it in action. Nothing Ear Open. These aren't your typical wireless earbuds. They look like something straight out of the future. The Nothing Ear Open features a unique transparent design and open-ear comfort, letting you enjoy your music while staying aware of everything around you. With surprisingly powerful sound, AI-powered voice features, and all-day comfort, they deliver a premium listening experience without blocking the world. It's futuristic tech you'll want to wear every day. Ponek T02 Mini Printer. Imagine printing photos, labels, notes, and stickers from your phone in seconds, without ever buying ink again. The Ponek T02 Mini Printer uses thermal printing technology to create crisp prints anytime, anywhere. Small enough to fit in your pocket, it's perfect for students, travelers, and creators who love staying organized. Once you start using it, you'll find yourself printing everything from to-do lists to custom stickers. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. What if you could design something in the morning and hold it in your hands that same afternoon? The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE makes 3D printing incredibly easy with auto-leveling, fast print speeds, and reliable out-of-the-box performance. From custom phone stands to useful home accessories, you can create almost anything without expensive tools. It's one of those gadgets that doesn't just save money, it completely changes how you think about making things. Force 1 Scoot Pro Hand Drone. Imagine controlling a flying drone without a remote, phone, or controller, just your hands. The Force 1 Scoot Pro Hand Drone uses smart motion sensors to dodge obstacles and respond instantly to your movements. Toss it into the air and it starts hovering like magic. With colorful LED lights and smooth flight, it's one of those gadgets that amazes both kids and adults from the very first launch. 8-bit Do Retro Mechanical Keyboard. What if your keyboard looked like it came straight out of a classic Nintendo game, but performed like a premium gaming powerhouse? The 8-bit Do Retro Mechanical Keyboard combines vintage design with modern features, including hot swappable switches, wireless connectivity, and programmable super buttons. Every click feels incredibly satisfying, and its retro style instantly grabs attention. It's the perfect desk upgrade for gamers, creators, and anyone who wants a keyboard that stands out from the crowd. Aqara FP2 Presence Sensor. Forget everything you know about motion sensors. This one doesn't just detect movement, it knows you're actually in the room. The Aqara FP2 Presence Sensor uses advanced millimeter wave radar to track your presence even when you're sitting completely still. It can monitor multiple zones, automate your smart home with incredible precision, and even detect falls. This is the kind of futuristic tech that makes your home feel truly intelligent. AstroAI Portable Air Compressor. Imagine getting a flat tire in the middle of nowhere and fixing it in just minutes without calling for help. The AstroAI Portable Air Compressor is a compact lifesaver that inflates car tires, bikes, and sports equipment with the push of a button. Just set your target PSI and it automatically stops when it's done. Small enough to keep in your trunk, but powerful enough to save your day when it matters most. Divoom Tiivoo-2. At first glance, it looks like a tiny retro TV, but don't let the vintage design fool you. The Divoom Tiivoo-2 is a smart Bluetooth speaker with a customizable pixel display that shows animations, weather updates, alarms, notifications, and pixel art. Control everything from your phone and give your desk an instant personality boost. It's one of those gadgets that blends nostalgia with modern tech so perfectly, everyone who sees it wants one. Govee Starlight Projector. What if you could turn your boring ceiling into a breathtaking night sky with the press of a button? The Govee Starlight Projector fills your room with stunning aurora effects, colorful galaxies, and relaxing ambient lighting that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. Control it with Alexa or your phone, choose from dozens of lighting scenes, and instantly transform any room into the coolest spot in the house. Which gadget completely blew your mind? Drop its name in the comments, and if you made it this far, you're officially ahead of most tech lovers. Hit subscribe because the next video reveals even crazier Amazon gadgets that almost nobody knows exist. And you won't want to miss the #1 pick.